Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2020 Ford Edge and I will show you how to connect your smartphone to use the Android Auto app and what the app offers you. This video should apply to second generation of Ford Edges made from 2015 all the way up to 2024, and Ford Edges equipped with the Ford Sync 3. Now I'm not sure if 2015 and 16 will either have Ford Sync 2 or Ford Sync 3. If you have a screen like this, that means you have a Ford Sync 3. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, now first you will need the USB cable. So one side will connect to one of the ports down here, and the other side will go to your phone. Now depending on the type of the smartphone, this connector might be different. I will connect Samsung S20 in this case. Okay, now I have connected the phone and you will see automatically the app will activate. So Android Auto extends the Android platform in a way that's purpose built for driving. So voice, USB audio, Bluetooth stereo, phone, navigation, apps. So what you want to do, you want to press continue here. You want to agree to the terms of use. Okay, now this will take a bit of a time. You want to make sure your phone is unlocked because you will have to accept the connection on your phone. Once you are connected, you want to press again OK here on the screen. Now you can consider a vehicle screen as extended screen to your phone, so you can do pretty much anything on this screen. You can write messages, you can make phone calls, access your contacts, read the news, check the calendar, use some of the other apps what you have installed, check the weather, and so on and so on. But the best feature in my opinion is Google Maps. Now all of us are usually using Google Maps to navigate while driving, and if you start the app on your phone, the large map will be displayed here on the screen, right? And that way you don't have to use any kind of holders for the vents while you drive. You will have everything here on a large screen. Okay, so I will also show you how this looks. Pretty much when you start the app on the phone or here through the options, the map will open up. Then under the search you just type in your address and press start, and that's pretty much it. It's very handy. So once again, you can use this app to make phone calls, write messages, use Google Maps or any other app you have on the phone which is compatible with Android Auto. Also you can use the microphone to issue commands, so you don't have to type in everything manually, but it is very handy. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.